Hi, my name is David and I'm here to continue developing this game. Before I started working on it, I began by fixing bugs. Because I know that the developers before me didn't really have that much time to work on it, so I'm guessing that some features that they implemented weren't really working the way that they expected, so that's what I did. I wanted to have a solid start. So here's a list of the things that I fixed in the game. I don't really have that much time, so let's just jump right into the things that I added into the game.
I upgraded the project to URP so that I could use better post-processing and shader graph. Outside, I made it just a tiny bit bigger, created a shader for the borders so that they appear moving, changed the sprite of the particle system to a leaf, and tweaked some post-processing a bit. I wasn't sure what the king was supposed to be, so I gave him a stinger because Google says that scorpions are the many enemies of the spider. The little ones also got a stinger. I came up with a new enemy, bigger, slower, and big damage. He one-shots your spiders, but also has very low attack speed. Its AI also now only patrols within 3 units of the king. I gave the Spider Queen, who I am calling Broodmother now, 2 new mechanics when outside. You can run around the borders of the map and stay hidden from enemies, as well as move faster. The second new mechanic is a spider web. You have 3 charges, and when you or your spiders are inside, you gain movement speed. Let's get inside. First thing you will notice is the map has changed. There are these little passages now that only larvae can go through. I added spider webs, eggs, and gave visual effects to pretty much everything. I removed some things that I thought were making the game not enjoyable, and that was telling your spiders to go heal. The spiders now go heal by themselves if their health falls below a threshold, and also after they drop off a corpse if their health is below the maximum. I gave the broodmother a way to command their little larva. If you press Q, you plant a spider web colored green to differentiate from the other spider webs. Larva will go to it and stay on it. Press Q again and you remove it. It has no cooldown. I hated having to wait to deposit all the corpses, so you do them all at once now, and you get 1 foot per corpse as well to speed up the gameplay a bit. Next was UI. I added an inventory to show your corpses and spider webs available, and on the opposite side you can see the king's health and enemy counters. I made a very simple main menu that show you the keybinds and allow you to set the volume, and oh, I did not talk about sounds. There are sounds for lots of things. One thing I really wanted to do was to voice act the Broodmother, but didn't really have time, so I ended up using the voice of Ellen McLean's Broodmother, and it fit perfectly.
The spider comes. Feeding time.
I wish I had more time to work on it. I really wanted to make a visual effect to make the corpse be wrapped around in webs. I think it would have been pretty damn cool. But I cannot really spend the next couple of days working on it because it's my birthday weekend and I have already made plans to spend it with some people, so there are a lot of things that I wasn't able to cover in this video, like organizing the project as well as fixing code and other things, but that is my submission. Bye bye for now.
My enemies will pay with their liquefying guts.